So today I'm going to be talking about my favorite hair masks of 2023. I really had to narrow it down. I do have a little bit more masks in my collection. I've narrowed it down to 7 products only. So let's get into my favorite hair masks of 2023. I will leave some honorable mentions about leave-ins after the video as well, if you're interested in seeing what my favorite leave-in products are for my hair. So everybody, how are you doing? Hope you've been well. I am going to start off with the first product that I have been really loving in the shower, and even if I just want to put it in on dry hair before I step into the shower. It's the Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate plus Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair. Now it's silicone free, and it's this beautiful tub right here, which I will open. It looks like that. It's got a gorgeous sort of coconutty scent, and it doesn't weigh the hair down. In fact, it's just one of those excellent hydrators for getting right into the hair shaft and making it feel silky soft and smooth. This has been one of my favorite products to be using over the course of maybe several years now, and I always go back to it. I can trust it. It's affordable, especially when you can get it for half price from Priceline. It is just one of those products that I actually really enjoy using. The Maui Hair Care Mask. Well, the Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate. You can get other different masks in this range, and I have tried one other one, which was the green one. I found it was a little bit too drying for my hair. I think it had like bamboo in it, and it just didn't feel right. And I can always rely on this. I can count on this going on for many years to come. I really just find when I really want that nice, silky, deep conditioning, I can always rely on this one. So a winner in my books. Now this is a hair mask that I actually use out of the shower because it's meant to be used sort of out of the shower as a pre-styling. It's the K18 Biometric Hair Science Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. Now with long hair, you do need to do 4 pumps on each side of the hair because they reckon just 4 pumps in total. It just doesn't cut it. If you've got short hair, yes, 4 pumps is all you need, 2 on each side. But when you do have long hair, this really, it doesn't cover it. I just work it down from probably just the top of the ears down to the hair shaft, right down to the tips of the hair. And when I first tried this, I thought, what a joke, it's not going to be doing much, but I have noticed so much strength in my hair after using the K18, and I don't use it every wash. I use it every couple of washes. It is a step that you can use and forego conditioner because they do recommend this works best if you do not condition your hair after shampooing it. There's a lot of people that feel like they have to condition their hair after shampooing, but try not to, because you really will see the benefits of this working on unconditioned hair. I guess it's sort of like your Olaplex solution where it repairs the broken bonds of the hair, and it just really makes your styling so much smoother. So what I tend to do is I sort of get my 4 pumps on each side, rub it in, split my hair down the middle in the back, and then I just work down. And then what I do is I get a gentle detangling hairbrush, and then I actually start brushing it through so it's coating all the strands of the hair. And once I've worked the product in my hair, I then go ahead and let it air dry. Once it's about 90% dry, I then go in with my blow dryer and I blow dry my hair out. And I find that over time, this really has been a lifesaver for my hair. And I know that they have come out with a shampoo and conditioner and a hair oil now, which I've never tried. Have you guys tried them? What do you think about them? Is it something that I should pick up? I have been sort of, umming and oohing about wanting to get them, but I just don't want to ruin a good thing. Like, I feel like if I get those other products, it's going to make this not as good. Is that stupid to think that? It probably is. But yeah, this is an excellent product. The K18 Biometric Hair Science Hair Leave-In Mask. Okay, so now we're going to go through to 3 products, which is only going to leave 2 more products after this, because I'm going to be talking about these 3 products because of course they're all from the range of Olaplex, which is these ones here. So I pretty much have the whole range of Olaplex in my Olaplex kit. Not every single product, of course, but pretty much I do have every single Olaplex product that has come out, from shampoos, conditioners, clarifying shampoos, and the serums, the Olaplex 6 cream and the Olaplex 7 oil, also the purple shampoo for highlighted hair, blonde hair. I have the Olaplex 9, which is like a clear serum that you put on before blow drying your hair. It's a great heat protectant, but these are the ones that I actually use for hair masks. The Olaplex 3, which is a product that has been around for, I'd say, over 10 years now. It is a fabulous product. You put it in unwashed hair, so basically dampen your hair first, then you apply this from your roots to the tips. Only not too much, but I end up doing like this sized palm of my hand because, again, long hair needs it. And I put it all through my hair and I leave it in for half an hour. Some people like to sleep in it, and this actually repairs the broken bonds of damage in your hair. They do recommend to use this once a week, but I find that I only use this at least once a month because I do have other products that I use. And this little bottle here, you can tend to go through it quite quickly. The more that you use this product, the more that you find that your hair actually feels more strengthened. They do recommend that if you are going to be hair coloring your hair, to sort of ease off on this, because of the fact that it sort of tends to remain in your hair. When you are going in with bleaching, it kind of can not take as well because you've got the Olaplex in your hair. Now, it's kind of like a double-edged sword because obviously when you are going in to bleach your hair and you do request to have it done safely, they do put the Olaplex drops in. This is the Olaplex number 1. And they actually put the drops into the hair coloring, the bleach, and they actually use this to slow down the process of how fast the bleach will process, but it's done safely. So a lot of people have come to realize that you don't actually need the recommended dosage that you would normally use in Olaplex. Actually, just like a squirt is all you need, and it pretty much does an excellent job. I don't know what they've done, how they actually done this product, but it's absolutely amazing. The Olaplex number 1. I also use this mixed with water on unwashed hair. So basically dampen the hair, actually mix 2 ratios of this with probably 8 ratios of water. Put it in through your hair, let it sit for about half an hour and wash it out. That's also an excellent strengthener. It's actually what they do to use as a treatment after bleaching the hair in salon services. So this is an excellent product. I've gone through so many bottles of this. This is just the full one, the full bottle. So what they actually do, when they do the in salon service and they use the bond number 2 over your hair after bleaching it, it's actually the bond number 3, but this is the customer version, and bond number 2 is in salon product. So this is for the customers and the bond number 2 is for the people in the hairdressing salons. Do you guys use the Olaplex range? Let me know. Then the third thing that I love using is the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. It's supposed to moisturize, smooth, adds body and shine for all hair types. I've gone through several bottles of this Olaplex number 8. You use it in the shower. You're supposed to step out of the shower and leave it on for 8 minutes. So that's the best way to do it. You pretty much use it as you would like a normal hair mask. I'll just read a little bit about what this one does, and I'll put my glasses on because I can't read the writing, it's so small. Infused with patented Olaplex bond building technology, this highly concentrated 4-in-1 reparative mask adds shine and body while providing intense moisture to treat damaged hair. And the directions are: apply to clean damp hair mid-length to ends, use sparingly on the roots, work through with fingers, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse fully and style as usual. Use weekly for best results. Start with 2 pumps for shoulder length hair, use more for longer, thicker hair, less for fine or short hair. Well, my hair is actually quite thick, but it's fine and it's long. So I actually go in with 10 pumps of this stuff because each pump that you do, there's not much that comes out. And I really wish that they would actually make this a better kind of pump to use. It's really, really hard to pump out. And yeah, I just wish they came in, I wish it came in like a squeezy tube, But I guess then you'd probably use a lot more if it came in a squeezy tube. I think this actually saves you from getting too much that you need, because you don't really need that much. But again, you have long hair, you feel like you can't really coat the hair well when you've only got 2 pumps. So that's why I go in with 8 to 10 pumps of this stuff. And I leave it in, turn off the shower, wait for 10 minutes, jump back in the shower, rinse it all out. There is no need to apply conditioner. So you're going to be doing this treatment hair mask. Shampoo your hair as per normal. Do not condition going with this hair mask. You can condition if you really want to, but I find that my hair gets weighed down a little bit too easily, especially if you've got fine hair. So it's an excellent product. I will continue to keep repurchasing this. And yeah, so Olaplex range, amazing. My second best hair mask that I absolutely have been loving for so long, it's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, which is this one right here. When Briogeo first came out, I was really happy because of the fact that it was always, you know, no silicone. And I don't, you know, I'm not one of these people that thinks silicone is bad for the hair. As a matter of fact, I love silicone for the hair. I think it's excellent for detangling. I think it works excellent for smoothing and adding shine. I don't have anything against the fact that there's silicone products. That's not the reason why I love this product. It's so conditioning, excellent hair detangler. Okay, so let's see what the ingredients are with this one. Blends rosehip, sweet almond and argan oils with vitamin B5 and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair while protecting against future damage. Shine and moisture are enhanced so hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. After shampooing, massage into the hair from root to tip, leaving for 10 minutes before rinsing. So this, like I said, has been a lifesaver for my hair. It is just amazing. I also have a lot of other products from Briogeo that I use, but this is my #1 product in terms of hair masks from the range. I do have a #1 hair product which we're going to come to very soon. I find with this you only need like a walnut sized amount, because it's, take my glasses off, because it's really concentrated. It is just an amazing product. It nourishes the hair. If you've got brittle, damaged hair that breaks off easily, this is so great at just really making it strong. And again, like with all the other hair masks, that's the job, right? It's to, you know, prevent further damage to the hair. When you use a lot of heat on the hair, when you use a lot of styling tools on the hair, you are going to get damaged hair. Okay, heat damages hair. That's it. Yes, you can do it safely. Yes, there are so many products out there that are excellent heat protectors, but over time, build up and repeated use can damage your hair. If you wash your hair and you blow dry it straight and you find that you need to go in with an iron, the best thing that I would do is to go in with the iron right after blow drying rather than leaving it till the next day, because you're then adding further damage to the hair. I don't know who it was that I was watching, but apparently it's best if you just, when you blow dry your hair or straighten your hair, just leave it like that and then wait a few days if you need to go in for some touch-ups. Don't go over it again with heat the next day unless you are using a really good heat protectant, of course, you know. But I'm not one to talk. Of course, sometimes I go in and obviously apply heat every day to my hair. And the reason I do that is because I never did a really good job of blow drying it in the first place. So do a good job first, and then you can minimize the amount of heat that you apply afterwards. But the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair is excellent. I will continue to keep purchasing this, and along with their other products, I think they're amazing. They do have some products that I don't like that much, but pretty much their whole hair care range is amazing. So that's that. #1 hair mask that I've been using, it's actually a conditioner, but you can use it as a mask. It's the Clean Blonde Damage Rewind Violet Toning Conditioner. This one here by Fudge. This product here, I don't know what's in it. Not only you don't need to use that much of the product, but it neutralizes the brassiness in your hair. So if you've got a lot of orange toned hair, this is excellent for neutralizing the brassiness. It is a lavender toned conditioner, but it also just makes your hair silky smooth. I use this every second shampoo. I use this, but you can use it for every single shampoo if you want as a conditioner, but I use this as a hair mask, mainly as a hair mask. I'll step out of the shower, leave it in for about 30 minutes, jump back into the shower and then wash it out, and it makes your hair feel so beautiful, so soft, so shiny, just amazing. Do you guys have the Fudge Clean Blonde Damage Rewind? There's two different ones of this. This is the one, it's basically the violet toning conditioner with Optiplex technology, because I know that there is another conditioner that is very similar to this, but this is the one that I actually tend to get, which is the one that I like the best. For hair that's blonder, stronger and smoother, this dual force conditioner contains our maximum strength violet micropigments that instantly knock out brassy tones, whilst our unique Optiplex technology reconstructs bonds throughout one wash. Hair is blonder, 90% stronger, dramatically smoother with double the softness. Color styling, sun pollution, what damage? Question mark, exclamation mark. Developed with fragrance that lasts for 24 hours. So they do say that you need to be careful when using this, but I've never found that it stained my hands whatsoever. I suppose if you left it on your hands without washing it, it would kind of stain your hands a little bit, but it's not the shampoo. The shampoo is so concentrated. I don't have the shampoo anymore, but the shampoo by Fudge, the violet toning one, again, it's an excellent anti-brass shampoo. I have been using that one for many years as well, although I'm using different shampoos at the moment, interchanged with different conditioners as well. Yeah, these are just my masks. Now, some honorable mentions that I just wanted to bring up that I use, and they're not actually masks, but they are leave-in products, and it's these two products here. This is the Ouai leave-in conditioner, and coming out of the shower, excellent for detangling, moisturizing. It's got a lovely scent, and I have been using this product for such a long time as well. I actually finished my full bottle of it, and this is just my small sample size bottle that I got as my birthday gift from Sephora. So it also came with this one here, the St. Bart's Scalp and Body Scrub, a sample size of that. You know, the one that's got that gorgeous scent. Beautiful. And then what I actually also use, some of the times I feel like after blow drying my hair, I really just want my ends to be a little bit more sealed. It's called the Mending Infusion Repair by Moroccanoil. And this is just a gorgeous product for putting on over your hair after you've blow dried, just on the ends. And it's a bit of an expensive product, but maybe 4 to 5 pumps of this. If you tend to put like an oil through your hair after blow drying, I also recommend going through with this product here just to keep the ends nice, and well, I suppose they mend the ends, don't they? Because it's a split end mender. So this one here by Moroccanoil is just an honourable mention in terms of not quite being a mask, but sort of like a masker of damage to your ends after blow drying your hair. But guys, that completes my best of 2023 hair masks. I hope you enjoyed this video. For those of you also who have recently subscribed to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video soon. Bye for now.